Hello guys, welcome to Power BI tutorial. Today we will learn what is row level security in Power BI. Firstly, we will understand definition of row level security and after that we will move to practical session. Row level security with Power BI can be used to restrict data access for given users. Filters restrict data access at the row level and you can define filters within rows. Users can access data only according to given access to them. That means suppose you have particular country rights, you cannot see other country data. Let's move to practical. See, this is my Power BI report page and here I have simple visuals. As you see here, this is country visuals. Here I have four countries, France, Italy, Spain and UK, and this is stack column chart. As you see here, stack column chart, and this one is .NET chart. See, .NET chart. Okay, so now we will create roles. So go to modeling tab. Under modeling tab, we have two ribbons. One is manage roles and second one is view as roles. Through manage roles, we will create roles and you can see created roles in under view as roles. Okay, so click to manage roles, then click to create. So guys, here we will create two types of roles. First one for senior users and second one for normal users. So my role name is senior users. Okay, then just click to three dot. Data is my dataset name. Then click to three dot icon and add filter on the basis of country. Okay, so I want to allow only senior user to see three countries data: UK, Spain, and Italy. So in place of equal to, you just write in and then open curly bracket and under double quote write first country name, then comma double quote second country name Spain, then comma third country name Italy, and then close double quote and close curly bracket. Fine. Then we will create second roles for normal users. Just click to create and write username is the role's name is users. Then click to three dot and add filter on the basis of country, and I want to allow users to see only remaining country data France. Okay, so here I created two roles. One for senior users and other for normal users. Senior users can see only three country data: UK, Spain, and Italy. As you see here, UK, Spain, and Italy, and other users can see only France country data, right? Then finally click to save. So guys, roles has been created successfully. Now click to view as role and you can see here senior users and users. Okay, so just click to senior users and click to OK. See, this is review of senior user roles. So senior users can see only UK, Spain, and Italy data, and in slicer Italy, Spain, and UK. Okay, and now I'm click to stop viewing and again click to view as rows and select users and then click OK. See, users only can see single country data hence. And if you click to slicer, now slicer is showing only one country value. Okay, now click to stop viewing. Now we will publish our report to cloud. So just click to publish. Then select workspace and then click to select. So guys, I already published this report to cloud, so that why he is showing me replace dataset message. So just click to replace. Now my report has been published successfully to cloud. Click to got it, and now go to report section. This is my report, import mode. So as you see here, I am the owner of report, so I am able to see all countries here. Now we will assign roles as per user email ID. Okay, just click to workspace name, then select datasets. This is my report dataset. Then click to three dot icon, then click to security. Now if you see here, I have two rows, one for senior users and other for users, and count is 0. That means till yet we have not assigned rows to users. Okay, so now as per user email ID, we will assign roles. Suppose I select one user as a senior user and just click to add. See, now user mail ID successfully added for senior user roles, and now click to save. If you see here, senior users roles count is 1 and user count is 0. Now we will log in from same user ID to check role is working fine or not. As you see here in Internet Explorer, I open that user mail ID and just refresh the report. As you see here in Slicer, it is showing 3 countries, Italy, Spain and UK, and as you see in my report I have 4 countries. But for senior user we select 3 countries. Okay, so that means our roles is working fine, and now we will assign same user to user rights. Okay, so from senior users I'm going to delete that user mail ID and just click to save. Now select users and enter same mail ID for users. Okay, so just click to add, click to save. Now you see here users roles count once. That means for one person we allowed user roles. Now go to same person mail ID and just refresh the report. Now it is showing only one country data. Okay, so that means our RLS is working fine. Hope you clear what is RLS and how we can implement this. Thank you guys.